friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to animate in Canva. So I'm gonna give you the basics of animation, and I'm gonna show you some simple tips and tricks that will literally change your design while using Canva if you're looking to animate. So what you want to do, let me go ahead and start from the basics. So let's say you're in Canva and I'm going to use a social media post as an example. Let's take something maybe from Instagram, right? So I'm going to click in the search here and simple type in Instagram, right? Let's say we want to make something for Instagram, and you want to go ahead and choose a design that has animation in mind. That's the best way I can put it. So you want to look for designs that shows you something with some kind of animation going on, or you think that it could be useful for animation, and that's gonna help you. If you're looking to make something of your own, then that can also be a way which I'm going to show you how to do it. Once you have your design ready, then you can animate it, right? But I'm no expert at designing, so I like to use the power of these templates because they're just simple to use. So let's use, I will take this one as an object, as an example, right? Keep in mind that some of these templates require you to have Canva Pro. So you want to go ahead and find something that does not have, like, for example, is Pro and is Crown that you can use if you're looking to use templates, right? Other than that, if you have Canva Pro, don't worry, just go ahead and select whatever you want. But the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to animate. And so I'm going to choose something that will, let's say, animate for us, right? There are so many different cool ones, right? So I could choose this one here, or I could choose this one here. Really easy. So I'm going to choose, let's choose this one. Yeah. And as you can see here, this guy here and some writing coming soon, etc., etc. So let's click and customize this one, right? And yeah, once we're inside this in Canva, we will go ahead and do some animation. Now, when it comes to animation, guys, you can do it multiple ways, right? The first way that you can animate in Canva is to select an object on the image. So let's say you want to animate a particular part of the image. It could be this guy here. I can simply click on him and I'll have the option that says animate at the top. So I can click on this and it will show me multiple ways how I can animate. And as you can see, as I hover over a few of them, it will show me how I could animate this guy in, right? So you can go through it and you can see some of them, they have some really new style that I can use. And yeah, I can just choose whichever one I want. It's really up to me. And some of these ones are actually pro. It might require you to have Canva Pro. And so if you see that you're not able to use some of these animation, it could be that you don't have Canva Pro. So keep that in mind, that Canva Pro may be required for you to use Canva Pro to do some animation, right? So that could be something there. So you can just select part of this, let's say design, and you can animate it, right? Another way how to animate here, guys, is to do animation based on a page design, and that's super cool. All you have to do, if you select animation, let's say for the first time, and you try to hover over something, you can easily click off and you will have the option to animate regardless. If you just select, like, let's say part of it, and you can click on it and you can just basically choose to animate like page design. So you can select page and the page design will animate everything for you, as you see there. So how do you achieve this? Just select one part of the image, click on animate, and then you won't animate photo, you want to switch this to page, and this is going to give you a lot of option where it animate everything on the page. See, you can just go through them and see what they're doing. And yeah, if you find something that you like, it can be really fancy, right? Look at that, really nice. So you just need to find something that really you like, and you can just use that, right? So if you're looking for page animation, you can use that. So for example, this one is really cool, ABC. You can click on that and it's going to animate it for you. Right now, another way how to do animation here in Canva is by utilizing elements. So on the left hand side, click on elements. And for example, you want to type in stickers, because stickers normally have some animation there. So you can type in stickers. And once you type in stickers, you search for stickers and you want to choose graphics. Now, graphics is going to show you a lot of different kind of animations that you can add into your design. And yeah, you just need to find something that you're looking forward, or you just need to find something that you like, and you can simply add that in. So I'm gonna just choose anything right here, right? So let's say I'm gonna choose, the rain as an example. I can simply choose this, and I can add this onto my design, right? I can simply add it to my design. It's really up to me. Anything you want, guys. You can choose it. You can, choose this one or whatever it is. As I said, I'm not no designer, but I'm here to give you the basics so that you see what you can use, right? But the elements actually have a lot of designs that you can add to your graphics, and you can just easily go ahead and make something of your choice. Another thing is that once you hover over an elements, you will see three dots here, and you can easily go ahead and see, let's say, more like these. So if you see this option here, it shows see more like this, and I can click on that, and I can see more of this same, let's say, type or style of elements. That means that if you're working with multiple pages and you would like to use a similar style of these elements or graphics, you can see more and you'll find more related. So that can be a good way for you to identify and find similar type of, let's say, elements or graphics that you can use. Yeah, guys, once you're finished with your design, all you have to do is click on share, and then go ahead, click on download, and you need to choose. Now, if you're making a longer form of, let's say, design, you can use it as an MP4, but if you're posting something like on Instagram, it's easier for you to use GIF. So you can switch this from MP4 to GIF if you just need something to post on your Instagram or whatever, or if you want to make it like a video style for TikTok or for whatever, Facebook, whatever you want to use, then you can make it as a small MP4 video, and just simply go ahead and select whichever option you want. Let me go ahead and choose GIF in this case, and I'm going to simply click on downloads. Now, once it is done, guys, I'm going to show you what it looks like once you open up that image. But that's basically it. When it comes to using elements in Canva, you can go ahead and use elements. When it comes to animation, you have a ton of different type of animation styles that you can utilize and you can use, but it's very, very easy to do. You can do it by page design, and you can also do it by individual parts of the design if you want to have more control over it. So as you can see, mine is finished. I'm going to open up my downloads folder. It's on my next screen here, and let me go to downloads, and yeah, let's open up this so that you can see it. Yeah, so once I open it, here it is. That's my beautiful design, right? Looking nice and looking fancy. So that's it, guys. If you're looking for how to do animation in Canva, this is the easiest way that you can do it. Now, guys, if you find some value here within this video, I really appreciate if you take a moment to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of this growing community. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos showing you how to use various or how to do various things in Canva. On top of that, if you'd like to learn more about Canva, check out the playlist towards the end of this video. You can find many more videos of how to tutorials and how to do various things in Canva. You might find it valuable. So check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.